Hello and welcome to another update video about Chiliz. So Chiliz has made that new low, that additional low that we've been waiting for, and we take a look at how likely is it now that we are doing the reversal. So Chiliz is obviously an altcoin. It's more risky than, let's say, the more, how would you say, the coins that are here to stay like Bitcoin and Ethereum. As you need to know, all altcoins are risky, especially in the bear market. So any positive trade setups or whatever I would currently only use for swing trading personally, not for dollar cost averaging in long term. I would only do that with Bitcoin and Ethereum, but that's only my strategy. The idea here with Chiliz is that it is one of the more interesting coins in terms of structure, price structure, trade setup. My opinion is currently that we have already seen the bear market low here on the 12th of May, that we moved up in a wave 1, and then we're coming down currently in this WXY pattern in a wave 2. This wave 2 could be finished with this additional low that we saw today that was, yesterday. But we haven't seen enough yet to confirm that, in terms of bullish price action. In fact, it looks like we might need one more low, because it's really getting we don't really see a bullish reaction. It looks still like a corrective move to the upside. So the idea was that in this C wave of Y of 2, we are coming down here. We came down in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here I told you that we're probably going to go into resistance and will come down once more. We did that. I then showed you the subwave count and said to you here, ideally we are going to get one more low, which we have now. And now we always need, every low could be the last one now with Chiliz as well. So we really need to look at the subwaves and the structure. And you can currently see that this move down was quite strong. It looks a little bit like a wave 3. So it could be, obviously, and this is really subwave counting. But in this wave 5, what I can imagine happened was a 1, 2, this here possibly the 3. We are seeing the 4 now and should get one more low. That would be ideal, in terms of the wave count here. And key support area for that, next key support level that I think we could reach if we make one more low, is the 12.5 cent level. That is the 78.6% fib level. Anywhere between now and that level would be an ideal time to turn around, an ideal moment to turn around. If we drop below that 12.5 cent level, then it's going to get tough for the bullish scenario, because then it will get very unlikely, or at least much less likely, that this is still a wave 2 in which we come down, which ideally would be followed by a wave 3. But if we lose the 78.6% retracement, this is getting challenged and is getting less likely, because a wave 2 only in the rarest of cases retraces below the 78.6% fib level, and it has a negative impact on the sentiment really. So the 88.7% fib level is the last resort really. We can currently see in that current bear market here that a lot of coins drop to the 88.7% fib level, or even lower than that. But this is really the higher level pattern. In that we usually see in crypto those strong declines. However, in smaller time frame patterns, you don't normally want it to go below the 78.6% fib level. So summary really is, primary expectation, as long as we don't really see an impulse here, is still further down, because this move up is corrective. However, we are probably very close to the low, and basically the level where invalidation will get very likely is the 12.5 cent level if we drop below that. So currently looking interesting. I think the first indication that we are going up, if we are recovering, would be a break above this wave 4 high, this small wave 4 high at 15.5 cents. Okay, and that's my update about Chiliz. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.